Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete any comment you have made on Instagram. This works for both your comments on other people's posts and your own. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone and then go to the post where you wanted to delete your comment. And once you are on the post, tap on the comment option and then hold your comment and simply tap on delete. Here is also a second method. If you want to do that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the three lines at the top right. And once you are in the settings and privacy menu, you will see an option that says your activity. Just tap on that. And here you will see multiple options. You have to simply tap on comments. And this will open up the list of all the comments you have ever made. To delete a comment, just tap on select at the top right. And then select the comments you wanted to delete. And simply tap on the delete option at the bottom. Tap delete to confirm. And that's it. Deleting comments on Instagram is super simple once you know where to look. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.